Shall we start? DJ, yes, please.
Game start. Apatı 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 kissy face sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the apatı 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 apatı
Simple dimple, папа сквиш, папа сквиш. Роскомздрав не запретит. Simple dimple, simple dimple, simple dimple, simple dimple, simple dimple, baby shark.
Play group. So அவங்க ரெண்டு மூணு rhymes சேர்த்து சொன்னாங்க. Rhymes is not only it's like going to be a sentence, it is something a creativity, it is something like இவ்ளோ lines memorize பண்ணி இந்த ஏஜ்லயுமே சொல்லிருக்காங்க. We'll give another big round of applause for Viduna, please. Thank you. Here comes the next chutti. Here we have Jacinta Ruth to deliver the rhymes. Okay, Jacinta Ruth. ஸோ ஜெசிந்தா வந்துட்டு குள்ள வாத்து ரைம்ஸ் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இன்னும் சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா அவங்க வந்து இங்கே இல்லை அங்கவே சொல்ல ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க, போடியம் பின்னாடியே சொல்ல ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஷி வாஸ் ரெடி. ஜெசிந்தா சூப்பராக சொன்னீங்க. போலாமா? சே பாய், தேங்க்யூ சொல்லிட்டு வந்துருங்க.
தேங்க்யூ.
Yes, Jacinta, come. Take. Abhi, we are going to see the Hindi rhymes. Ajitesh. बोलिए अजितेश.
बच्चन काबू काची कागर नींबू कीला आव टमाटर लाला लूटो पंजाब हो गए डर बच्ची काला हो गए.
अच्छा शुक्रिया अजितेश, आप बहुत सा अच्छा है. थैंक यू. से शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू.
Yes, come Ajitesh. Here we go with the next rhymes from Krithvik. Yes, Krithvik. சூப்பர் சூப்பர் சூப்பர். வேற எதுவும் ரைம்ஸ் சொல்றியா? வேற ரைம்ஸ் எதுவும் சொல்றியா? ஃபைன், ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சொல்லிடலாமா?
தேங்க்யூ.
இருக்காங்க, மியூசிக் ப்ளீஸ்.
Run your mind, bye 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 bye. La la la. On your mind, on your mind, bye 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 bye. Come on everybody, clap your hands. We're dancing together from all the lands, from sunrise skies to the evening moon. The world's got the rhythm, a happy tune. Spin like the wind, stomp your feet, boom boom. Jump up high, make a little more room. Hand in hand, we sway side to side. Love and laughter, our global guide.
Children in Africa drumming the breeze, shaking and singing beneath the trees. Asia's ribbons twirl and fly, colors like rainbows fill the sky.
Spin like the wind, stomp your feet, boom boom. Jump up high, make a little more room. Hand in hand, we sway side to side. Love and laughter, our global guide.
Dotty dotty dum Dotty dotty dum dum, jump up high, clap your hands and touch the sky. Spin around and stomp the ground, dance with joy, let's go around. Dotty dotty dum dum, dance with me, wave your hands like a bumblebee. Dotty dotty dum dum, spin again, laugh and hey with all your friends. Hop to the left, hop to the right, shake your body, feel so light. Turn around, say yay hooray, it's a happy dancing day. Dotty dotty dum dum, clap your hands, march around in happy bands. Dotty dotty dum dum, jump up high, reach the rainbow in the sky. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, touch your head and touch your nose. Dotty dotty dum, don't you stop, dance until you jump and hop. Dotty dotty dum dum, dance with me, full of fun and energy. Dotty dotty dum dum, let's all cheer, happy dancing everywhere.
I am a peacock. I am very beautiful bird. I am a national bird of India. I have a beautiful crown on my head. I like to dance when it rains. People love me very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Lady Peacock. That was really nice, Nikita. Yes. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Samadhan. I am a lion. I am a king of the jungle and live in the forest. I am a big and strong. I am a save lion, save nature. Thank you.
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోళ్ళు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గజ్జ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
సొగ్గులాడి స్వప్న సుందరి నీ మడత చూపు మా పటేల వల్ల పందిరి రచ్చరాజు గుండె ఊపిరి నీ వంక చూస్తే గుండెలోన నీరి డిరిడిరి கிச்சுமா சிக்கி கிச்சுமா மோனிகா love you மோனிகா baby மா மோனிகா கிச்சு கிச்சுமா ஒத்து கிச்சுமா zum 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 tak bada jumma zum tak zum 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 tak bada jumma zum tak kala 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 zum 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 tak bada jum ஏ ஊதுறாத தப்படிக்க தவிலடிக்க கொட்டடிக்க கூத்தடிக்க கூத்தாட்டங்கை தட்ட போடு காத்தடிக்க கதவடிக்க கிடி கிடிக்க வெடி வெடிக்க வெட்டாட்டம் விசிலடிக்க ஆடு அத வந்தாரை கருப்பண்ண சாமி இது தன்மானம் குறையாத பூமி பட்டாச பொத்தவை பம்மாக்க ஒத்திவை மத்தாப்ப சுத்தவை சித்தப்ப எத்திவை அப்பாட்டம் கொட்டவை ஒயிராட்டம் கட்டவை புலியாட்டம் போடவை தேவராட்ட ஆட்டவை பட பழகுது பச்சை மல்லிய பூ பட மணக்குது மதுரை பட பழகுது பச்சை மல்லிய பூ பட மணக்குது
मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और द रजनी फैन डोंट मिस द chance all the Rajini fans don't miss the chance
Next day, the sun came and nosed the seed. Hello, seed. Can I give you some sunlight? Seed said, please no, I don't want you to go away. Next day, rain comes and gnaws the seed. Are you thirsty? Can I give you some water? Seed said, I want to grow alone. Please go away. Seed does not know how need all her friends help to grow at last. Seed call all her friends. Please help to me. Please, friends, come to me. All three agreed and became her friend. The sun shared his sunlight with the seed. Seed felt warm and better. The seed was very thirsty. So seed drank all the rainwater and seed felt nice by breathing fresh air. Seed felt good and seed grew as a baby plant. That baby plant grew well. After it grew well, it gave us a very beautiful yellow sunflower. It was very happy. The moral of the story is unity is strength. Give them a big applause to the little ones. Thank you. Thank you, dears.
என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க டெடியோட?
ஆபது
Are you all ready? I request the இங்க ரெடி சொல்றாங்கப்பா. இங்க ரெடி சொல்றாங்க. அவங்க ரெடியா இருக்காங்களா? அவங்க எப்பவோ ரெடியா.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Laughing plastic, fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Fantastic, you can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde single girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your darling.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there.
குட்டீஸ் டெடியை தொடக்கூடாது. டெடியை தொடாம டெடி தள்ளி நின்னாடுங்க. டெடியை தொடாதீங்க குட்டீஸ். டெடியை தொடாம ஆடுங்க குட்டீஸ்.
You wanna go for a ride?
டெடி கிட்ட போகாதீங்க, தள்ளி நின்னு ஆடுங்க. வாங்க, தள்ளி நின்னு ஆடுங்க. டெடி ஆடணும்ல. டெடி டான்ஸ் ஆடணும்னா தள்ளி இருந்தா தான் அது டான்ஸ் ஆடும். வா, இங்க வா.
It's fantastic, you can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Laughing plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde single girl in the fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your darling.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there. Hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Laughing plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever you please. I can act like a star, I can beg on my knees.
Come jump in, bimbo friend. Let us do it again. Hit the town, fool around. Let's go party.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Laughing plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your
Request the parents to
creation.
take the seats,
I'm a
please.
Barbie girl
Photos link உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும்.
laughing plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
I request the parents to please take your seats.
Party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Bye சொல்லிடுங்க எல்லாரும்.
Come on, Barbie, let's
Say bye to the teddy. I request the parents to take their seats, please. A humble request to the parents to take the seats.
Before smartphone, people get up early and freely. But now, people are getting up with their mobile in their hands. In meal time, spent with their family by eating and talking with their each other. But what about now? Eating meals with watching mobile in other hand without talking with nobody. Playtime is to be fun before mobile. They used to play outdoor games like football, cricket and coco, etc. But now, all are playing with the mobile games. There is no outdoor games and physical exercise. That's really bad habit. A man when he was got injured in road. If a man got injured, all are helping. That's not good. Now, kids only want mobile phones to get engaged. Naughty kids never used to meet their friends. If the kids throw out the mobile phones and ready to play in outdoor games with their friends, it is good example. Thank you.
To give away the prize. So I request our correspondent, Mrs. Varnalata, to give the prize to our cuties, shooties. So we have our sports days winners. So from playgroup, running, here we go with. Third prize goes to Nadira. Third prize for running playgroup goes to Nadira. So we have a correspondent, Mrs. Swarnalata. She is going to give away the prizes to the kids. So last year academics learned ellame paapanga. Ipo now it's sports day time. So we are third prize goes to Nadira. She has bagged third prize for running. She is from the playgroup. Yes, parents, please give a big round of applause. She is getting certificate. That's Nadira. Second prize goes to Duna here. So Vidina from playgroup, and she is getting second prize for running. She is getting a shield and certificates. Viduna. Now it's the time for the first prize. Nagadivya. Nagadivya of playgroup. She is getting the first prize for running. கைத்தட்டல் கேட்கவே இல்லையே. First prize ரன்னிங்ல. Next, from the playgroup we had water games. Water games, and the third prize, the water game goes to Jacinta Root. She is from the playgroup. Cutie doll. She's getting the medal and certificate for the third prize. Second prize goes to Advait. Game goes to Advait. So I request all of the parents to give a good round of applause. So that was Advait for bagging second prize for the water game. Next, here comes the first prize. First prize goes to Koshika for water game, and she is from the playgroup. Koshika. Koshika bagging the first prize for the water game. She is from the playgroup. Camera paranga, sitting your photo, please. The LKG. Here comes LKG Law Kindergarten for. I have a question to the audience. எத்தனை பேர் அந்த லெமன் அண்ட் ஸ்பூன் விளையாண்டுருக்கீங்க? லெமன் அண்ட் ஸ்பூன் இன்னும் ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருக்குது. லெமன் அண்ட் ஸ்பூன் நிறையவே விளையாண்டதே இல்லையா? நம்மளோட 90s கிட்ஸ் கேம் ப்ரோ. சூப்பர் ப்ரோ. எஸ், ஃப்ரம் எல்கேஜி த லெமன் அண்ட் ஸ்பூன் செகண்ட் ப்ரைஸ் கோஸ் டு Mansi. So we have Mansi on the stage. She is bagging the second prize for lemon and the spoon LKG. She is from LKG. And that's Mansi. And the first prize goes to Nikita. First prize goes to Nikita. And she got first prize for the lemon and the spoon. And she is from the LKG. That's Nikita. So correspondent Mrs. Swarnalata, she is giving the prizes. Advik bagging the second prize for frog jump, and he is from the LKG. Can we give a good round of applause, please? Or Balatta Kaitatam goes to Manasastri, and she is from LKG. So I request the parents, please be seated. Ready kids, please. So Mukyavana Tarunam, it's like prize distribution. KG. So we are going for the pre-KG frog jump. Pre-KG frog jump. Third prize goes to Samrat Jain. Our Lion King. It was Samrat Jain for the frog jump. He's bagging the third prize. And second prize goes to Inian. That's Inian from pre-KG for the frog jump. He's bagging the second prize. First prize goes to Rohit Mahadev for the frog jump. He's from pre-KG. Can we give a good round of applause? So for all the prizes, parents adukla romba delighting la. That's Rohit Mahadev from pre-KG for frog jump. He's bagging the first prize. Next. So that's Krithvik from pre-KG for water game. And the second prize goes to Ishana Sri. Our kiddos, obviously, உங்களோட support இல்லாம அது முடியாது. We are going to give the highest attendance award now. So from each and every cadre, we are going to give the highest attendance award now. Parents ஓட mind was எனக்கு தெரியுது. ஸ்கூலுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டா நம்ம கொஞ்சம் நிம்மதியா இருக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Anyways, they are going to get the award now. For the play group, it's Jacinta Sri. For the highest attendance, for the play group, it's Jacinta Sri. Sorry, Jacinta Ruth. Jacinta Ruth. Jacinta Ruth is going to get highest attendance award from the play group. Jacinta, vanga. Yes, vanga. Super, can we give a good round of applause for her? Highest attendance award, second medal. Attendance award. That's Tamrivan. Another medal for him. Manasa Sri from LKG for the highest attendance award. So I believe next year la kandipa vandu ellarume highest attendance award vaanganum appdintu. Let me pray God to give them good health and wealth. That's Manasa.
Hello kids, 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 hello kids. Very nice, beautiful, colorful, rosy, cozy, wonderful, hello kids. Hello kids, hello kids, hello kids, hello kids, hello kids, hello kids, hello kids. We will read, we will learn, we will dance, we will play, enjoying every day. Hello kids, hello kids, hello kids, hello kids. Hello kids, hello kids, hello kids, hello kids. Loving God,
Hello kids. Superb, superb. Nice.
மணிக்கா பெலூச்சி இறங்கி வந்தாச்சு கடலை கொந்தளிக்கும் சுனாமியே உண்டாச்சு மணிக்கா பெலூச்சி எதிர்ப்பா எனர்ஜி தலையை சுத்த வைக்கும் சூறாவளி பொண்ணாச்சு பட்டன்னு பார்த்தாலே பல்ச தும்பாடி கொட்டுவா மீன் எல்லாம் கூத்தாடுமே இரவ கலராக்கும் ஜல்லேபி லேடி சால்ட்டும் நான் தொட்டா ஸ்வீட் ஆகுமே
Monica, my dear Monica, love you Monica, baby ma Monica, kichma, siki kichma, Monica, love you Monica, baby ma Monica. Fika ஒரு உண்மை சொல்லவா சரி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லட்டுமா எனக்கு சொத்து சொகம் வந்தா மாத்திடுற முந்தா பக்கல நான் மாச கட்டுற சந்தா
ஒரசாம பத்திக்கப்பா ஒதட்டோரம் தித்திக்கப்பா இருக்காத ஒத்தையில ஒத்தையில ஒரு வாட்டி சந்திக்கப்பா சந்திக்கப்பா மெத்தையில மெத்தையில சாபு நேரத்தில் ஒலிம்பி அழுவாத பூஜா ஆட்டத்தில் இன்னும் சொன்னான தொல்ல வறுமை கோலத்தில் நேர்மை பார்க்க இளமை காலத்தில் டீசன்சி நல்லா இல்ல நிலவ செவப்பாக்கும் தஞ்சாவூர் காரி மனச ரெண்டாக்கி வரவாக்கில்ல இரும்ப கரும்பாக்கும் பப்பாளி லாரி ஆஷா கைப்பட்டுக்கும் நம்மள
Monica, my dear Monica, love Monica, kichma, siki